dropping the internal disk drive and passing $50 savings on to buyers. It's the lowest Xbox One retail price to date at $249. While the Xbox One S All-Digital Edition is slated for a May 7, 2019 release, we've already received a glimpse under the hood. The Xbox One S All-Digital Edition generally fulfills its initial promises, merely cutting the internal optical disc drive for a lightweight, low-cost gaming console. Microsoft appears to be sharing identical components of the standard Xbox One S, even leaving space to add a disc drive back. Our first in-depth look inside the Xbox One S All-Digital comes via Austin Evans, receiving an early hands-on with the console before its reveal. The video provides a full unboxing of Microsoft's download-only console, while also exploring what has changed inside the all-white box. And it's mostly the same, albeit with new metal panel reinforcing where the drive once laid. However, by sharing components with its predecessor, the Xbox One S All-Digital Edition still stows remnants of its disk drive. Evans refers to spare SATA and proprietary power ports on the all-digital board, the two previously used to connect the disk drive itself. The radio frequency board up front also still features the same eject button, now simply masked by the all-digital's new casing. It's unclear whether the Xbox One S All-Digital Edition will support a Blu-ray drive, though indicates potential DIY post-purchase upgrade path for console buyers. The Xbox One operating system appears capable of detecting its absence, though it's unknown if Microsoft has locked out capabilities entirely at a software level. In the meantime, the Xbox One S All-Digital Edition is now available for pre-order at $249, ahead of a May 7, 2019 debut. Xbox accessories. You'll love every one of these quality accessories is guaranteed to enhance your Xbox experience. This post may contain affiliate links. See our disclosure policy for more details. Let's block ads. Why?